In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save in Google Docs. If you're new to Google Docs, one of the most important things to know is that it works a little differently from traditional word processors. In many desktop programs, you need to manually click Save every time you want to keep your work. But in Google Docs, your document is usually saved automatically as you make changes, which makes the process much easier and helps prevent lost work. To begin, simply make your changes in the document. You can type, edit text, delete content, or format your page as needed. Once you've made those updates, wait a few seconds. Google Docs will automatically save your work in the background, so in most cases, there's nothing else you need to click. This automatic saving feature is especially useful if you're working quickly or making frequent edits. After that, look at the top of the page. This is where Google Docs shows the document's save status. When your changes have been stored successfully, you should see the message Save to Drive. That message confirms that your latest edits have been saved to your Google Drive account. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment, especially if your internet connection is slow or unstable. Now, automatic saving covers your online document, but you may also want to keep a copy on your computer. If that's what you need, go to the File menu at the top left, then select Download. This opens a list of file types you can choose from. It's a quick way to create an offline version of your document for sharing, printing, or backing up. Next, choose the format you want. For example, you can download the file as a Microsoft Word document, a PDF, or a plain text file. The best format depends on how you plan to use it. A Word file is useful if someone else needs to edit it in Microsoft Word. A PDF is ideal if you want to preserve the layout for viewing or printing. Plain text is a simpler option if you only need the raw text without formatting. Once you select a format, the file will be downloaded directly to your device. From there, you can open it, move it to another folder, attach it to an email, or store it as a backup copy. And that's all it takes to save in Google Docs. Your work is normally saved automatically to Google Drive, and if needed, you can also download a separate copy to your computer in the format that works best for you.